Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to pay using a Revolut virtual card. First, open the Revolut app and tap Cards. If you don't have a virtual card yet, tap Get Card. Select Virtual, choose your card design, and tap Create Card. Now, to use it with Apple Pay or Google Pay, go to your phone's wallet and Apple Pay or Google Pay settings. Tap Add Card, then Debit or Credit Card, and choose to enter details manually. Go back to the Revolut app, open your virtual card, copy the card number, and paste it into the wallet app. Then just follow the prompts to finish adding it. And that's it. You can now pay with your Revolut virtual card in stores or online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.